What's good, Fraanse Fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a unboxing and review of the Impressions Vanity Company Hollywood XL Tritone Makeup Mirror, and I will be showing you guys all of the functions for that. And I also have a compact mirror that is also by Impressions Vanity Company, and I use that for travel, and so I'm going to get into all of that today, so stay tuned.
Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and, you know, I totally have it going on.
Alright, Fraanse Fam, so we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. I actually purchased this mirror from Marshall's for $49.40, I think it was. So if you just want to round it off to $50, that's what I got it for. I saw online that it was about $80, a little over $80. So if you can find one of these in Marshall's or whatever, I would definitely look into that just to save you a couple bucks, because I mean, who don't want to save money? So once again, this is the Impressions Vanity Company Hollywood XL Tritone Makeup Mirror, and I am just going to begin unboxing this package for you guys. It's a pretty large box than what it looks in the video. They actually had two rose gold ones, and then this was the only white one. So it does come in rose gold as well, but I just think that the white mirrors look better aesthetically. I just don't really see the vision for a rose gold pinkish mirror. That's just me, but I don't know. I just feel like having a white vanity just goes better with everything, in my personal opinion. So if you notice on the back, you guys, so I'm just showing you guys a description or what the box looks like. So I would pause the video if I were you and just maybe take a screenshot of this, or take a picture so you have an idea of what to look for should you go into Marshall's or should you want to purchase this online. There's a lot of information on the box, so it just basically tells you about the soft touch technology, the 12 long-lasting beautiful LED lights, 3 light color temperatures with soft touch sensor switches, 360-degree swivel mirror, and the power adapter is included, which is amazing because who wants to keep buying batteries? I know I don't. So to have just a power adapter to me was oh my goodness, I didn't almost dropped this mirror, y'all. Woo, Lord, that would have been bad, but woo. Anywho, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the plastic off. Like I said, you can also get this mirror on the Impressions Vanity site, but it would be your best bet to go to Marshall's just to save those couple dollars, you guys. So the mirror comes with a bottom stand, and you can sit that. It's pretty sturdy, as long as it's sitting on a flat surface. I wouldn't try to sit it on like a chair or something that might rock and then it might fall, because when I sat it on this chair that it's on right now, it's not really gonna stand up on its own. It needs to be on a flat surface. But I do like the mirror. I think that it's a pretty good size, and I think it's aesthetically pleasing as well, just how it looks. One thing I did notice about the mirror as well is it does not come fully charged, so you will have to plug in that adapter. Even after the video, I noticed that it takes a while to charge up, because as soon as I unplugged the adapter, after it had been plugged up for maybe 5 minutes, the whole mirror just turned off because it probably was pretty dead when I got it. So just make sure to plug the mirror up, because as you can see, if you click these buttons, it's not gonna turn on at all. So make sure to plug that adapter in. It's not broken. If you get the mirror and say it's not even turning on, just plug the adapter in, and if it doesn't turn on with the adapter, then it's shot. But it does just come dead and doesn't come charged at all, as you can see. So I'm just going to take a second to show you guys just the back of it and just everything that comes with the mirror as well. I'm also going to take a second to plug this adapter in, because I want to show you guys the different lighting, and this mirror will absolutely positively not turn on without that power adapter being plugged in. And it does take probably a good hour to charge up fully, because like I said, I have unplugged it after 5 minutes and it turned completely off. It does not have Bluetooth. Some mirrors do, but this one, I'm probably sure if this had Bluetooth, it probably would be a lot more as far as price. But this one does not have Bluetooth, and I'm okay with that. I can just literally play my phone while I'm doing music. And then also that may probably save a lot of energy. We'll see. But if you're expecting this mirror to come with Bluetooth, I just want to let you know now so you're not surprised that this does not come with Bluetooth at all. And just to give you guys an idea, I'm sort of a planner, so I understand what it's like to want to know the dimensions. So the dimensions of the mirror is 12 by 16 inches. In length, it is 14. And width, it is 1 inch actually, so that is the side of it. And in height, it is 19 inches, just to give you an idea. So now I have the power adapter plugged in, and I am going to show you guys what each button does. So the middle button is the power button, and the button to our left is the button which pretty much changes the tones of the lights. And you just tap that button a couple times to get the changes. The button to the right, you have to hold it down. I didn't realize that until I was playing around with it. And if you hold that button down, it changes the brightness of the mirror to 2700K to 6500K. So it's an adjustable color temperature button as well. As we all know, adjustable lights are essential to makeup and skincare and many different things. You can see so many different things in a bright mirror like this. So I would say it's essential. So finally, I just want to show you guys what it would look like in a vanity setting. I think the mirror is so beautiful. I think the lighting is really, really great. I love that I can remove this mirror, and should I get a different desk, I can use this as like a station desk and then put the mirror back should I want to do my makeup. I just love that it's removable. Like I said, I've had really big mirrors before, and it would just be something that might fall down, or it would be big on top of the table, and I am gonna be in a space that's gonna be much smaller, so I want to make sure everything is functional and that I can use things in many different ways. So if you're one of those people, I think this mirror might be ideal for you should you want to use this as a desk / vanity. So I also got this mirror from Marshalls, and I love this compact mirror. It's perfect for travel, and I just have to have this, you guys. You can also get this on the Impressions Vanity site because this is an Impressions Vanity product, but I came across this once again at Marshalls, and I've traveled with this. This is TSA approved, and I did feature this in my how to pack for a carry-on video. So if you want to check that video out as well, but to me, this was ideal for what I wanted. So this is called the Touchpad Rechargeable LED Makeup Mirror with Flip Cover. So it sort of looks like a little iPad, you guys. Like I said, it is TSA approved. I was not asked to take this out of my bag. And make sure to charge this one up as well because it does die pretty quickly. I usually plug this up to my computer, and it is adjustable as well. It does have adjustable lighting, which is amazing on the go, you guys. It slides right into my carry-on. It doesn't take up much space. It's very sleek and thin, and it's perfect for travel. If you want to do makeup in the bathroom, at the airport, if you want to do makeup on the go, in the car, this is ideal for travel. So just to show you guys what it looks like in comparison to the other mirror, this is much smaller. Like I said, this is ideal for travel, and the brightness is pretty good to say this is something that's gonna go with you everywhere. And like I said, it does have a flip cover for protection, and it does come in several different colors. It comes in champagne gold, silver, rose gold, pink, black, and white, and this one is in the color rose gold. This one is running about $40 on the Impression Vanity site. Since I got this a couple months ago, I'm trying to remember how much I paid. I don't believe I paid $40 for this though. Probably about $20. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please find me in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also, too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video. So every time I post a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video.